Hi everybody, Cindy Ellers here from Cindy Stampin Studio. Welcome to my Monday night Facebook Live. Today's date is Monday, June 3rd, 2024. And I'm so glad to be here. While I wait for everybody to get here, I will go and get my Kindle set up. And I'm right on time for a change. I'm not early or late, but we'll wait for a couple people to hop on. I wasn't here last week, and I apologize for that. With the Memorial Day weekend, it just got away from me. I admit it. The whole weekend got away from me, and 1, 2, 3, it was Monday, and I was totally not prepared at all. So I thought, maybe it's just better if I go and just take the Monday off rather than being all stressed. Well, here we go. We got Pauline and Linda and Kay Wire. 3 people that I can count on to show up every Monday. And it's just been great for as long as I've been doing it. I think you guys have been with me most of the way. And I think that's great. Okay, let me get me set up on my laptop because I don't trust this Kindle. Right there. Hey! And there's Jeannie Mullen. That's wonderful. I think this is going to work. So, yeah. Running a little slow. I hope everybody had a great weekend. It was nice here. Memorial Day was kind of cool. Yeah, we went to a cookout on Memorial Day, and it was kind of cool out, but they had it in the garage, so it was okay. And Friday, this past Friday, our grandkids didn't have school. They're all done now for the summer, so they're all happy. Can't get it to come up on my laptop. Just a second. There, try that. Well, while I wait for that, they came over on Friday. So we had those guys for part of the day, and it's always fun listening to them and hearing some of the things that are going on in their life. So, okay, thank you for liking and sharing. Don't forget to go and say hi. You get in and on my door prize drawing. And when you have time, share this video, because I also have a door prize for that. Let me check. That's odd. And it's always fun. We got a couple of weeks. Next week, actually. Next week, Tuesday, will be our Andy's birthday. And she will be 13. I can't believe it's been 13 years. I remember that day vividly because it's the day before my birthday. And we were waiting to hear something because we knew they had went to the hospital, and we were waiting to hear something. And I was born, we were waiting for midnight because it was like it was quarter to midnight. And if she could have just waited 8 minutes, she would have been born on my birthday. But that's perfectly fine. There's many times when we celebrate Andy's birthday and then everybody wishes me a happy birthday. So that's perfectly fine. She thinks it's pretty cool though. There's Debbie Vine. And thank you for sharing, Jeannie. And hi, Tracy. Okay, I'm all caught up. My laptop isn't cooperating tonight. I don't know. What else is new, right? Okay, tonight I am featuring the new stamp set called Spotlight on Nature. This is what it looks like. It's got a butterfly, some flowers, leaves, dear friend, and thanks. It also has coordinating dies. You can find that on page 69 of the new catalog. And I'm going to try a fun fold. It's called a double uneven Z fold. And so I've made it a few times, so it's pretty good. It's not going to be trying. I can actually make it. So, okay. What we have going on in the stamping world, Stamping Up special for June, is starting Wednesday, June 5th, save an additional 10% on bundles, which are stamp sets and dies. And if you think about it, that's in addition to the bundle savings of 10%. So you get 20%. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to restart my laptop, see if that helps. Okay, so I have cards to share with you. I'm going to just keep right on moving, even though that is not working. And we have door prizes. So, door prizes for comments. And she's watching. I have some very pretty pink sequins that I'm going to send to Jeannie Mullen. So congratulations, Jeannie. I'll be getting these in the mail to you. And for sharing these white sequins, which goes with everything, and I think you can even color these with stamping blends, they're going to go to Jan Fortin in Wisconsin Rapids. So Jan, you're probably camping or something. You're going to get a surprise in the mail. And Jeannie, I will be sending these to you along with a homemade card that I made. In fact, it's last time's card. So I think that's pretty cool. Now, as you know, I do a drawing every month. It's a $15 shopping spree for all the orders I receive. And I put everybody's name in a hat and draw a winner. And that person can order $15 worth of product on me, from me, or a class. And for May, the winner will be Tracy Jacoby. So I haven't seen her mother-in-law on yet, but I will let Rita know that Tracy was the winner. So, yeah. Okay. Put that there. Cards. As you know, I was collecting veteran thank you cards. We've been doing this for a long time, it seems, right? You hear me talk about these veteran cards. Well, May 31st was the last day, and I delivered the cards to Teresa, who will take them to Oshkosh for the Badger Girls State. And I found out from Teresa that these girls will write individual messages in each one to our veterans, thanking them for their service. And there's 4 hubs that these cards then get distributed to. Central Wisconsin is one, which is located not an hour from here in Mosinee. And we have one in Milwaukee, and I believe La Crosse and Eau Claire, I think she said. I'm not 100% on that. But anyway, I'm happy to say we collected 447 cards. I know, right? And they were beautiful. Everyone was different. Everybody had a different idea. So it just worked out so great. Hello, Denise. Nice to see you. I was just talking about the veteran cards. Teresa, the gal I delivered them to, was in awe. she thought they were beautiful. And like I said, they will be distributed in the coming months to our veterans, and 447 cards. And I couldn't have never done it without all of you. Now, you know I will do this again. So if you get bored someday, or if you find some nice designer series paper in red, white, and blue, or if our prayers are ever answered and Stampin' Up! Comes out with a patriotic set, go and do some more stamping and save them, because I'll be asking you for them again. Okay? Yes, Kay, it was awesome. And she was just so happy to receive them. Okay, I am going to flip my camera around. You can see Jim's track. And I am going to, there we go. It's a new month, and we have a new host code. Alrighty. There. Now, my friend Jan, she waited until the last minute to send me her veteran thank you cards. And that's fine. You know, like I said, I will just save them for next time. And I got them the day after I gave them to Teresa. And, oh, Denise, yes, it was a lot of cards. I had a banker's box plumb full. I took pictures of them. That was pretty cool. So, these are Jan's cards that didn't make it this time, but will make it next time that she made. I look at it as its seed for when we do this next January. Okay, I got to keep moving along here. I'm trying to get my laptop to play the video, but it doesn't want to cooperate. I got some happy mail in the mail. I got this beautiful thank you card from Cheryl Merzinik from California, thanking me for her door prize. And I got this card, which she always sends me extra die cuts. This came from my Fed Jan in Wisconsin Rapids. So these are the two cards I got. I thought they were very pretty. I'll put them over here. Now, this was the May Stamp of the Month, which, as you guessed, Country Birdhouse was the winner. And so when the people that signed up for it ordered the kits, and you can order the kits, you don't have to order the stamp set from me. You can order the kits. The kits are $5 for 4-card kit and postage. Well, I can see your comments. I just can't watch the video part. That's okay. So, yeah, these are great cards, and everybody liked them. So that's what they look like. That's what I came up with. And let's put them over here. Now, like I said, tonight's stamp set is Spotlight on Nature. Oh, move it up a little bit. There. Spotlight on Nature. It has coordinating dies, which it's got a lot of dies. There are these. there's these. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dies here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dies because I'm using this for another project. So there's 12 circle dies. And they layer nicely together. And it's great. Okay, so I will get myself all situated. Oh, also, we're using this stamp set for our greeting or rather for the inside words. And I'm really liking it. Maybe this will work. There we go. This is an all-inclusive stamp set. And it's really, put it up, it's really great for when words are not enough. So, yeah. Okay. The ink colors we'll be using tonight is Early Espresso, Daffodil Delight, and, Memento Black. Okay. I'll move this over a little bit. I think that's a little bit better. Yeah. Okay. So, my packet is right here. And, like I said, this is called a double uneven Z-fold. Here is everything I'm going to be using. Our base is, this is really a cool card. This is a 5.5 by 11 piece of cardstock. 5.5 by 11 piece of cardstock, scored at 1 1/4 and 3 3/8 on both ends. So when you fold it up, it's like that. That's the way it looks. Unfold it. Okay? Just like that. So there that is. Okay, we're going to be using the beautiful Mediterranean blooms. Now, I wasn't really sure why I ordered this because I didn't order the stamp set. And that's okay, because I can still use the paper. But it kind of threw me off. I didn't know how am I supposed to use this paper without the stamp set. Well, this is really weird. Anyway, we use two 1 1/4 by 3 3/8 pieces of designer series paper. We might as well start putting these together. I sure hope everybody can see this. I'm not sure if it's working. Okay, and that's going to go just like that. All right, so let's put some glue on this. Because I haven't gotten a comment from anybody for a while. And so I don't know. And you wouldn't think it would be bad weather or anything. Just got done raining minutes ago. We're going to put this right here. It's fine here. Thank you, Denise. Yes, that's what I needed to hear. I don't know why my Kindle is acting up and my laptop is acting up. So all I'm seeing are the comments. So, good. Alrighty. So we're going to put the other 1 1/4 by 5 1 1/4, 1 1/8, my mistake, 1 1/8 by 5 1/4. That goes right there. Okay? So you cut 2 of them. Then our white piece, for the inside. Now this is different than what I usually make. This is 4, not 3 3/4, but 4 by 5 1/4. We are going to take 2 strips of the Designer Series paper, which are 3/4 by 5 1/4. So let's put them on. This is a very cool card. The only part is this designer paper. I don't know which way it's going sometimes. But, you know, lemons hang down, so I would think. And this one was wrong too. We're going to put that on either side of our white piece. There, just like that. We're going to take our early espresso. Oh, now it's come back. Yay! We're going to take our early espresso. Let's stamp our inside. And I'll get this inked up. And this is, I wish I could make this better. I'm here for you. And like I said, this is the Comforting Thoughts, which is an online exclusive. It's got a lot of wonderful verses. There's no card for this. Thinking of you, praying for you, hoping with you. It's just some really good ones. And, you know, I'm so sorry. I don't have all the right words to say. I do have lots of love to give. So, you know, it's got some great sayings. So now we'll just set this, aside for now. Then I took 2 pieces of white, which are 3 by 3. 2 pieces, okay? And we're going to stamp. Well, hopefully we're going to stamp. They kind of disappeared. Because I'm going to also use them in my technique class. Now, technique class is not until Monday, June 18th, because next Tuesday, the 11th, that was Andy's birthday. So that's the reason. Okay, so let's put our greeting on one. And I've noticed with the newer ink pads, they're so much nicer than the old ones. And that one I still screwed up. Where you don't have to smash the ink into the stamps. And I really like that. Okay. But I got that. We can fix that though. So we will cover this up. Well, hi, Ronnie, and nice to see you. I wanted to share with you because you'll love this. I took 447 veteran thank you cards to the gal that will be transporting them to Oshkosh for the Badger Girls State. I found out that, you know, not only do these girls go and write individual verses and notes in each one, these cards are then distributed amongst 4 hubs. Milwaukee is one of them. I don't know the other ones, La Crosse, I believe, in Eau Claire, but also central Wisconsin, which is located in Mosinee. So I wanted to make sure to share that with you. Okay, so now I'm going to take my butterfly and stamp that in Memento Black. It turns out so nice. It's just such a nice, crisp stamp to use. We're going to go and also cut out. We're also going to cut out 2 Daffodil Delight circles. And I guess I didn't go and inspect them good enough. We'll get all the pieces out of them. I guess I forgot to do that. But it's okay. I did read that in your newsletter or paper. One of my singers was on the flight, and I was there to welcome him back a few Mondays ago. There's been quite a few, and that's just so heartwarming, I think. My dad was a veteran, and we had checked to see if he could go, but he couldn't because he had never seen active duty. He had been stationed for 2 years in Fort Lewis, Washington State, and he just didn't qualify, which it was okay. It's nice to know that you read my newsletter. That makes me happy. If there's anybody else that would like to get my stamping newsletter, it's only about a page. It's not like it's real long or anything. Just go and pop me an email or a personal message. That's the best. Pop me a personal message with your email address, and I will add it to my newsletter list. And I not only put out all my classes to go, but any Stampin' Up! News. So this is what we did. Okay, dokie. We're gonna add a little something to our dear friend. I'm gonna stamp off like that. And let me cover this up. And then for my butterfly, I am going to color them in Daffodil Delight, light, just a simple, I didn't pre-color it because it's just a simple all one color. And it looks like I have to replace this one. That still worked. Alrighty, up the dark. Let's put some highlights on it. Oh, we got a baseball tournament to go to this weekend, so hopefully it isn't raining. It seems like it's nice for 1 or 2 days and then it rains. So it rained all day today, but the sun is finally out, which is wonderful. But now it's like, okay, tomorrow we could get big rain. Okay, so now let's go, and this goes right in the middle, just like that. So let's put that in there. I don't think we need any more rain. We certainly don't need any bad weather. Okay, so now these are going to go on either side, just like so. Found out the easy way. Oh, hello, Sandy. I just was reading. Lots of rains and storms again. I know. Isn't that sad? I'm glad you liked the newsletter, Sandy. It just kind of keeps everybody up to date. Okay. Gotta make sure. Oh, it's 2, definitely 2. And, okay, this one's gonna go right here. I found out that this is the easiest way to do this. Let's close it. Whoops. I need another little piece. And this is a wonderful stamp set. This is the first card I made with it, but I'm looking forward to making a bunch more. Okay, so the first card, the first one, is going to go right there. And you can position it how you want. Okay. Now you can use glue, you can use whatever adhesive you want, but I found that this was the easiest. I'm all for easy. I don't know about you. Okay, so the first one's pretty easy, you know. There, just like that, right? Okay, so then we're going to close this. So it's like that. And I'm not taking the backing off of that. Not yet. There, just like that. Okay, or do I want to move it over one more? Oh, there, that's better, right? Okay, so I'm just going to hang on to it like this and take the backing off. And then there, that's it. That is our card. Huh? How easy. Just a nice fancy little fold, but I'm not done yet. I have some brass butterflies to add. And I want to put one right here. And one right there. And let's put the big one down first. Yeah, that's good. I'll put the little one right here. Because the brass butterflies have a little bit of weight to them, I always put a little drop of glue. And let's do this one. There. This is our card. Dear friend. And then, you know, it opens. I wish I could make this better. I'm here for you. So, yeah. I thought that was a great card. It's called a double uneven Z-fold. That's what it was called. If you want the measurements again, they will be on my blog. And they'll be on my blog on Thursday. And I always put all the dimensions and cutting, folding, and so on. So if you decide to make this for yourself, feel free to send me a picture of your card. I would love for you to be one of my spotlight stampers. And Denise says, this is a great card. Love the easy fold and colors. And Courtney loves it. And Linda thanks me. So there it goes. Yeah, I hope everybody has a great rest of the week. I look forward to stamping with you next Monday night right here. And we'll see what else we can play with. So everybody, take care and have just a great rest of the week. Thank you, everyone.